When you define your app's metadata, you'll indicate whether the play mode is sitting, standing, or room scale. This helps users understand the physical space and requirements necessary to use your app, so the play mode you select must be accurate. Beyond accuracy, you should consider your selection from an accessibility point of view. Many users choose apps based on physical differences. Apps often fail Tracking.1 because progression requires a greater range of motion than the play mode implies. To meet the requirements for sitting, your app should be completely playable while a player is seated in stationary furniture, like a couch or a fixed position chair. Make sure your app never requires a player to stand, lift off the seat to reach down to the ground, or pivot more than 90 degrees to the left or right. Even though it may be the chair you use for testing, a gaming chair with wheels and a swivel isn't a good benchmark for meeting the sitting requirement. Test your app using a stationary chair and confirm that the app never requires you to leave the seated position. To comply with the standing mode, your app must be completely playable from a fixed standing position. The app can require limited motion, like turning around or reaching, but users shouldn't have to take more than 2 steps in any direction within the play area. And finally, to comply with room scale requirements, your app must be completely usable within a play area measuring 6.5 feet by 6.5 feet or greater. Room scale ensures users have enough physical space to progress in your app, and implies an unlimited range of motion within that space. If you're unsure which mode most accurately reflects your experience, go with the mode that has fewer limitations. Standing even once in an experience designated for sitting may not seem like a big deal until a user is physically incapable of doing so. Setting the right expectations helps avoid user frustration and contributes to the success of your app.